MG1250 Trigger Valve Kit, your ultimate solution for reliable impact wrench performance. This precision-engineered replacement set features durable metal springs and smooth plastic components designed specifically for Snap-on MG1200 and MG1250 models. Feel the difference with responsive trigger control and consistent power delivery that makes tough jobs feel effortless. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this kit restores your tool's original functionality with easy installation. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and smart maintenance tips. Key features include compatibility with 3/4-inch drive impact wrenches, full valve replacement set, and OEM standard quality components.